Well, the other video I did seemed to help a lot of people, but Subaru finally dropped the latest update for the head unit issues with the 2020 to 2022 Outback. This covers the base unit, the mid unit without navigation, and the unit with navigation. Tells you everything you need to do here, but what you're going to need to do is download these files. That link takes you to the various years as well as the Outback Wilderness. Mine's a 2022, so we're going to open that, double click, and then got some random cattage, of course. But one of these is going to be base. That's this one. So this one is high. This one's mid. So for me, I have navigation built in, so this is the group of files I'm going to download. Here's what the files look like. It's all being dropped over onto my thumb drive. It's going to take a bit, about half an hour, unfortunately. So I just got to play the waiting game, and as soon as this is done, I can meet you guys at the car, and we can install it. All right, so back in the car. We're going to turn the car on. Turn the volume down. All right, so I am undoing the USB cord. There's nothing connected anyways, but now we got to go into dealership mode, hold these two buttons down, and hit your tune knob 6 times. We're going into dealer mode, software update. Now it says to insert the media. I've got the thumb drive here with all the files on it, so we're just going to stick that in down here. Software update has been detected. Hit OK. And this tells us up here the current version. This is the new version, -280. So we're just going to go ahead and let it rip. Now on the cars with the navigation, for whatever reason, they seem to take less time than the ones without. They say it'll take 10 to 15 minutes to go through this process. So once it gets close to finishing, I'll clip back in. Almost done. So it says it's complete. We're going to restart the car. And there we have the new interface down below. Hopefully they fix some other stuff in the back end, but they have everything here. Moved a few things up here. Heated seats, auto, fan speed. I had everything on sync too. Turn that back on. Anyways, so that's what it looks like. Unfortunately, from what I'm aware, that everyone who uses Android phones, it still does not have full screen Android Auto. For whatever reason, Subaru is just really slow to get updates out for these units, and they're just taking their time. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.